get started to make your kite, 8x8 sheet of paper, any color will do. And you're going to fold it so it looks like it's a triangle. And then you're going to fold it again the other direction. So it looks like that. Sticks or dowels, whatever you have. Longest one, I think this is the longest one. We'll go in that center. The best way to use, I would say, would be hot glue. But if you don't have hot glue, just Elmer's glue, and it'll just take a little longer to dry. And then the other one will go across the other fold. Your smaller piece, which is a 6-inch, it's going to go somewhere up here, and it might be about, you can measure it, I would say about 2.5 inches. Kind of lay it right there, and that's where you're going to glue it down. You do a straight line. I can't. It's the back side of your kite. So this is about at 3 inches. So right above that stick, I'm going to poke a hole. If you have something sharp, and I think maybe a toothpick would even work too, I'm not sure, depending how thick your paper is. You can poke a hole there above and then below. And you'll have holes there. So now you're going to work on your owl. And so there's a template, and I have feathers here that I'm going to cut out. One on each side. I guess I could probably use a craft stick for that. So then I have feet here. I'll do 2 different sizes. While I'm doing that, I'm going to cut my beak out too. Feet. Place. So underneath on the back side, you can glue the feet down. And then below the, the dots, the beak can go there. You got googly eyes, or if you have googly eyes, you can use them. If not, you can use the template of the circles. Place that down. Whatever colors you like. I'm using lime green and dark green. They go to the side of the dots that you created, the holes that you created. Just above the beak. Now, if you have feathers at home, you can add some feathers for the top. Otherwise, if you have some tissue paper, if you want to put that on there, that should be fine. Some pipe cleaners, that should be fine. I'm going to glue those to the back to push it on through. Now you're going to use your string, and you're probably going to cut off maybe, let's see, I don't know, maybe 7 inches, and you'll do that to 2 of them. Place that string. There we go. And the same here. And so you're going to make a knot. You're going to tie that together, and then this one, the upper one together. You trim off any extra. So it looks like that. So then you can take a craft stick, a regular stick if you want, and what you're going to do is you're going to take your string and you're going to wrap it around your stick a couple times, make a knot. And then continue to wrap more and more string. Okay, so now that you have enough string wrapped around that, you're going to cut it off, and then you're going to tie it to those 2 strings.